Hello everyone! Magandang buhay sa lahat. Welcome na welcome po kayo dito sa aking Mathematics Tagalog tutorial. Sa video na ito ay magpipresent ako ng practice quiz about the lesson Angle of Elevation and Angle of Depression. So magpipresent ako ng multiple choice questions at yung ibang question ay how to determine if the given figure illustrate angle of elevation and illustrate angle of depression. So ito po ay 20 item test or 20 questions. So tignan natin kung makakailang points po kayo out of 20 questions. So let's check your idea or your knowledge about angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, so let's start for number one question. The angle formed between the imaginary line of sight and the horizontal line where the object is above the horizontal line is called blank. We have letter A, angle theta, letter B, line of sight, letter C, angle of elevation, and letter D, angle of depression. So what's your answer? I will give you how many seconds to answer? 10 seconds. Okay, so what's your answer? The answer is angle of elevation. So congratulations kung tama ka sa number 1. For number 2 question, the angle formed between the imaginary line of sight and the horizontal line where the object is below the horizontal line is called blank. Letter A, angle of depression. Letter B, angle of elevation. Letter C, line of sight. And letter D, angle theta. So I'll give you again how many seconds to answer. 10 seconds. Okay, so let's check your answer. The correct answer should be letter A, angle of depression. For number 3 question, a person is standing on the ground and looking up at the top of a building. The angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Which of the following represents the correct angle of elevation? Letter A, the angle between the line of sight from the person to the top of the building and the ground. Letter B, the angle between the line of sight to the top of the building and the vertical line of the building. Letter C, the angle between the top of the building and the person on the ground. And letter D, the angle between the building's wall and the horizontal ground. So ang hinahanap po ng question ay, which of the following represents the correct angle of elevation? Okay, so I will give you, again, 10 seconds to answer. Okay, so let's check your knowledge. The correct answer should be letter A, the angle between the line of sight from the person to the top of the building and the ground. For number 4 question, the angle of depression from the top of a tower to the stone on the ground is 45 degrees. What does this angle represent? Letter A, the angle between the ground and the tower's wall. Letter B, the angle between the ground and the top of the tower. Letter C, the angle between the vertical line of the tower and the line of sight to the base. And letter D, the angle between the horizontal line from the top of the tower and the line of sight to the stone. Okay? So I'll give you how many seconds to answer. But before I proceed or I will present the timer, intindihin mo natin yung problem. So, tingnan natin yung ating question. The angle of depression from the top of the tower to the stone on the ground is 45 degrees. So, dito po tayo magbe-base kung ano po yung ni-represent ng angle. Okay? So, I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Okay, so time's up. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is letter D. So again, congratulations if you got the correct answer. For number 5 question, what line is formed when the observer looks at the object below or above? Letter A, horizontal line. Letter B, vertical line. Letter C, line of sight. And letter D, line of 9. Okay, so I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Okay, we have 10, 9. Okay, so time's up. The correct answer is letter C, line of sight. Okay, for the next questions, ito po yung ating direction. Identify if each angle theta in the figure illustrates angle of elevation or angle of depression or neither. So tatlo po yung ating pamimilian for the next questions. Okay, guhitan ko. Angle of elevation, angle of depression, or neither. Okay, so ipipresent ko po yung figure and then identify po ninyo kung ito po ay elevation, or angle of depression, or neither. Okay, for number 6 question. So ito po yung ating figure. Ito po yung kanyang angle theta. So ano po kaya yung angle theta na na-represent? Elevation, depression, or neither. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. Okay, stop. So the correct answer there, this angle represent angle of elevation. For number 7 figure, ito po yung ating angle theta. So this angle theta represent angle of elevation, angle of depression, or neither. So I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. Okay, so this angle theta represent neither. So this is not elevation, this is not depression, so this is neither. For number 8 question, ito po yung ating angle theta. This is our right triangle. So what this angle theta represent? Is it elevation, depression, or neither? Again, this is our timer. Okay, time's up. This angle represent angle of depression. For number 9 figure, this is our right triangle. So ito po yung angle theta. So ano po kaya yung nire-represent ng angle theta? Okay? So I'll give you 10 seconds again to answer. Okay, so this angle represent neither. So this is not elevation, this is not depression. Okay? Okay, for number 10, ito po yung ating right triangle. Ito po yung kanyang angle theta. So what angle represent by this angle theta? I will give you 10 seconds to answer. Okay, so the correct answer is angle of depression. So this angle theta represent angle of depression. For number 11 figure, question. So ito po yung ating airplane. So meron po siyang line here and then the horizontal line. So ito po yung angle theta na nare-represent. So what angle is this? Is this elevation, depression, or neither? So timer, 5 seconds. Okay, so what's your answer? So this angle theta represent angle of depression. Okay, for number 12 question, ito po yung ating figure. Okay, a coconut tree. At ito po yung angle theta. Okay, so what this angle theta represent? Elevation, depression, or neither. Okay, timer tayo. 9 seconds. Okay, so stop. The correct answer is neither. So this is not elevation, this is not depression. So this is neither. Okay, for number 13 question. So ito po yung ating figure. Okay, this is a hill and from the top of a hill below. So ito po yung angle theta na nire-represent. So what angle theta or what angle represent this angle theta? Is it elevation, depression, or neither? Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds to answer. Okay, so time's up. This angle theta represent neither. So this is not angle of elevation. This is also not angle of depression. Okay, for Number 14 figure. So ito po yung ating building or house. At ito po yung ating line and horizontal line. So we have angle theta here. So what this angle theta represent? Okay, I will give you 9 seconds to answer. Okay, time's up. The correct answer here, this angle theta represent angle of elevation. Okay, for number 15 question, again, ito po yung ating house or building. So we have line here and we have horizontal line. Ito po yung angle theta na nire-represent niya. So what angle theta represent? I will give you 5 seconds. Okay, time's up. This angle theta represent angle of depression. Okay, for number 16 question. So ito po yung ating figure. We have a hill here. Okay, we have line and horizontal line. So ito po yung angle theta na nire-represent ng theta. Okay, so what this angle theta represent? I will give you 6 seconds. Okay, time's up. This angle theta represent angle of depression. Okay, for number 17 question, ito po yung ating figure. This is a tower. Okay, we have line here and then horizontal line. Ito po yung angle theta. So what this angle theta represent? I will give you 10 seconds. Okay, so time's up. The correct answer there is angle of elevation. Okay, for number 18 figure, so the same, ito po yung ating tower, pero nandito po yung ating angle theta. So what this angle theta represent? I will give you, okay, 10 seconds. Okay, so time's up. This angle theta represent neither. So hindi po ito angle of elevation, hindi rin po ito angle of depression. Okay, for next question, ito po yung kanyang direction. Determine the correct illustration of the problem. Okay, for number 19 question, from the top of a 10-meter high-story building, the boy sees his girlfriend walking at the ground at an angle of depression of 20 degrees. So we have letter A, ito po yung kanyang illustration. Letter B, ito rin po yung kanyang illustration. So for letter A, ito po yung house. Ito po yung 2-story building, 10 meter. At andito po yung angle which is 20 degrees. So for letter B, ito po yung ating 2-story building. Ang measurement niya ay 10 meters. At nandito po yung 20 degrees. So which one represent the statement here? I will give you, okay, choose one. I will give you 6 seconds to answer. Okay, so time's up. The correct answer is letter B. So ito po yung nirepresent ng ating statement number 19. Okay, for the last question, number 20. A 49-degree angle of elevation is formed between the eye of a 6-foot man and ant at the ground. Okay, so ito po yung kanyang illustrations. We have two choices. Letter A, 6-foot man. And then we have line of sight to the ant. And then we have horizontal here. This angle is 49 degrees. At ito po yung ating letter B figure. The same, 6-foot man. This is our ant. Ito po yung ating line of sight. We have this horizontal. At ito po yung ating angle, 49 degree. So, alin po dito sa dalawang figure na ito ang nag-represent ng ating problem or question? Okay? So, I'll give you how many seconds to answer. Okay? Reset po natin. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds. Which one is the correct answer? Is it A or B? Okay, so the correct answer here is letter A. Okay, so congratulations kung nakakuha ka ng 20 points. So, kahit ano man po yung score ninyo, congratulations at baka pwede naman pong i-share ninyo yung score ninyo sa ating comment section below. Salamat sa kaibigan. Kung natuto ka at nagustuhan mo yung video na ito, baka pwede mo namang i-click yung like and then subscribe na rin kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking channel.